Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Presiden Rangba kaseng Voice of the People's Party uba Ardent Miller basayo moy. Habaya keren markilat pathai Kubor hadin ka jingelang jong kaseng haswa ban lek ay ka dorkas syaka sarkar jilla halor ka jingdawa ban pensange aswa ya ka thungkam thungjam kat bempat la ban penbet ya ka roster system ula ong hakabaya debat ka jing keren jong menteri Rangba barim ka jilla Dr. Mukul Sangma amla ban tim balai bahab ban kentat banyak keren ka benta ka reservation policy but amtip ru ka ai ka badan hakli jong but ai un batai hi yaki daw balai bam dan kam banyak keren halor ka ka mat uba Ardent ula ong ru bagi jing keren ki ba ai di nong elam ni Nongmihkhmat ki dei ban long ki bala pensyong nong rim ni jing shisha bat ka long ka Bakla ban ong baki breu khasi jantia kim kershan ban wanra ya ka jing penkela ha ka ba dei bat ka reservation policy hakabaya day bat kajing aipor kaba sapu pra kinta ya ka sarkar ban sange iswa nakaba thungkam ni ki breu hapo ka jilla nakaliang uba Ardent ula ong bala da ka sarkar kam sngam nakaliang ka VPP kan sa syong jing elang ban perkhan halor ka ei ka senjam ban shim nangne shakman ula ong ru bagajing kam day bat ka roster henry ka jing ka day bat ka rukam pentrei kam ha kabala yoi bakarukam pentrei kam long ka babiang bat don kam ban ngotho ya ka jingbon pai hapdeng ki khasi jantia bat ki garo ula ongru bakalong ka Bakla ban Khein baki don lai tili ki Jaidbynriew hapo ka jilla Meghalaya.
Dr. Mukul Sangma yesterday he had urged all political leaders to avoid even discussing on the reservation policy. What do you have to say?
I don't know what does he mean by avoiding discussing the reception policy. I don't know what was in his mind. So let him explain why. He must give a valid reason why we should not discuss this issue.
We have also seen the Kaba leader recently. He had stated that majority of the constituencies in Khasi Jaidbynriew are not in favor of reviewing the reservation policy. What do you have to say?
I think statement to be given by the responsible elected leader should be based on fact, not on frustration, not which is baseless in nature.
They don't want reviewing of the reservation policy. I mean, given the mandate that they have given in the last.
I think it would be wrong. It would be wrong to say that the people in Khasi Jaidbynriew did not support or do not wish to bring a change in the reception policy. It doesn't mean that just because you don't win an election that you can come to a conclusion that the people of the state don't support the issue that you take.
So you have given the government an ultimatum of 48 hours to
Yes.
put on hold the job improvement process. So if the government is not heeding the demand, what will be your next course of action?
We will be sitting and decide as a party what are the steps to be taken in case the government fail to comply with our demand.
But we have seen the government had already made its stand clear that its focus is for implementation of the roster system and not reviewing the reservation policy.
That may be the stand of the government, but our stand is very clear. The problem is not with the roster. The problem is not with the roster. The problem is with the entire policy itself. The policy is not proportionate. So how can you divide the policy by two only? You need to understand the population structure of the state. You need to see that the population of Khasi Jaidbynriew is more than the population in Kaba. So how do we expect that a policy will be reserved equally between the two?
But I mean, officially, the government from time to time we have seen that they have announced that there are 3 tribes in Meghalaya.
That was a mistake. There are 2 tribes only in Meghalaya, the Khasis and the Garos. But by trying to divide the classes into giantess, into Khoi, into War, will only give a problem to us. It is very sad indeed that the politicians are trying to divide so that they can rule easily. We don't take that version that there are 3 tribes in Meghalaya. It is the fact that we have 2 tribes only in Meghalaya, where we know as Kindram, Panar, Khoi, War, Maram, Lingam. We are one as a community, that means as a tribe. It was a blunder and a mistake, to mention that there are 3 tribes in Meghalaya.
We have